How to download Turbo VPN on your Android device. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily download your Turbo VPN on your Android device. So if you have been stuck in the situation where you can't use your application under your country, under your specific country, and if you like to be able to use that particular application, then what you need to do is just head over to your Play Store and simply click on search and search in for the Turbo VPN. So once you search in for the Turbo VPN, its logo is popular, so you can also click on this by recognizing it according to its download. It has over 100 million plus download, so simply click on install and wait for some time for it to be installed on your device. So once it gets installed, simply click on open, and there you go. That is exactly how you can easily download Turbo VPN on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.